Listening to Sexy Red after church is crazy. I gotta reevaluate. Here's a definition of a bird's nest. Y'all see that bottle, Don Julio? If I show you in my closet, would y'all unsubscribe from me if you see how crazy it is? Let me know now before I show y'all. What is happening? What is happening? Hi YouTube, welcome to a new video. You guys, this is gonna be my first weekly vlog. What? I feel like my hair is a mess because it is a mess. Anyways, welcome to my first weekly vlog. That's so crazy. All I really watch on YouTube is freaking weekly vlogs, and I've never done one before, but we're gonna do one now. It's already about to be 12 o'clock. I slept in because I just came back from a trip and I was tired. I got a whole bunch of stuff to unpack. Like what? I'm the type of person that I could leave my stuff sitting there for a long time. I'll make sure I get into that today, and then I'm a little delayed with this. We doing some spring cleaning today, y'all. Like my room, disaster. But in the meantime, I'm waiting for a salad to be delivered, so I'm not gonna do no spring cleaning until my salad delivers, because how I'm gonna clean on an empty stomach? Like that don't make no sense. Also, I got a bike. It's actually my grandma's and she let me have it. I'm gonna be so consistent, like every day I want to get on my bike. I'm definitely starting that today, because why that food from Nashville so good? I gained 4 pounds throughout my trip. Like what? 4 pounds is crazy. Wait, one more thing. Do y'all see that I got a tan? Do y'all see that I'm a little bit darker? Do y'all see me a little bit, you know, a little bit more bronzy? Like maybe like a shade or two? Come on now. Come on. Don't lie. I call it a tan. I don't care what nobody says. I call it a tan. Hey y'all, my salad is delivered. Girl, if you know, you know. I can't tell y'all where this is from though, because I think if I tell y'all, y'all will figure out where I live, and that's scary. Let's get started. If I show you in my closet, would y'all unsubscribe from me if you see how crazy it is? Let me know now before I show y'all. Oh, child. Let's just do it. I'm gonna do a keep pile, a donate pile, and a garbage pile. Like the stuff that's not good to donate. Y'all, oh my god, I made progress. Fix that. I ended up putting all paint stuff over there. I got a little ring light right there, ignore her. Oh, I gotta fix that. That's shoes that never came in boxes. I gotta fix that up. We got my man's chancletas right there. I got some sweatsuits, and there I got bathing suits. Over here I got my yoga mat. I got my work shirts. They're just easier to grab. I got small bags, I got big bags on the bottom. In here I gotta organize this. I'm actually not done. I thought I was almost done. I'm not. I'm gonna organize that, and then I gotta find a cute system for jewelry. I hate this thing. Like it is just not cute. I thought I was almost done. I'm really not almost done, because I didn't even go through this or the shoes. That's gonna be the worst one. Oh my god. Look at my bed. So this is all the stuff I'm giving away right here. The garbage on the floor over there. I even had to change my shirt because I started getting hot. What is happening? Yo, spring cleaning 1, Chelsea 0. I've been in this bed taking a nap like on and off for 4 hours, but I did get stuff done. That big bag, that's all donations. This is garbage. I did my big one. Y'all, look at my hair. My hair is a definition of a bird's nest. Bye. When somebody says your name, in my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. You understand what my knees go weak. What's happening to me? Right, so literally today was just like cleaning up, right? And I was about to get in the shower and do my little like whole night routine. Like I was literally about to light a candle, and then I remembered we were supposed to go on the bike today. It's not like I have to walk to the gym or something, so Girl, I'm gonna just get on that bike.
I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. The reason why you always on my mind, yeah. Come around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when
I just finished. I thought I'd be sweating more. I don't think I was going fast enough. But when I tell you my butt hurts, but next time I'm definitely gonna wear my Apple Watch so I could like track calories and stuff like that to see what I'm really doing. Good morning. Cheers to the weekend, y'all, but it is cold. I just have like a couple errands that I want to run, but I feel like I should have done them yesterday and then the spring cleaning today, because yesterday was mad nice and today that I want to go outside, mad cold. Yeah, I got my Cheetalicious headband on today because we are sisters. We stand together. I'm gonna finish getting ready for the day. Okay guys, so we're back from doing laundry. All my bags are sitting right over there because who the hell folds their clothes and puts them away the same time they do laundry? Like, what? That's weird. But I'm putting a little makeup on. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury, the Flawless filter, and she's eating. I got shade number 3. Whoa, 3 is called Fair Pale. I thought I got a tan. That's concerning. Ooh, I'm lighter than I thought. The concealer is dark. My hair is so dirty, so obviously it's gonna go up. I hate when I start putting my hair up and I forget to look for a hair tie. Like, that's just the worst. Okay, no, for real, like, I need a hair tie. This isn't a drill anymore. I don't know what I did on my hair, but it feels so silky smooth right now. Yes, girl, yeah. Okay, boom. Hey guys, so we're on the move and our first stop is Target because I have to find a big jumbo card for my manager. She's leaving. She's probably watching this right now. If you are, I love you and I miss you already. But we got to find her a big jumbo card, like a going away card, so that everybody could sign it. Because I ordered her stuff off of Amazon and it was supposed to get to my house 5 days ago. And it never did, and it keeps saying that they're going to try again and they're not trying again. And it doesn't give me the option to cancel it or anything. So that's mad annoying. But we're going to go with Target. And hopefully they have something cute. And I also feel like I need to get a lens that is farther like this. My mom actually said that, yeah, I could see up my nostrils before, so yeah. Now Target doesn't have anything. I'm trying to Google.
Oh, Michael's.
Oh, we could try Michael's. This is getting me tight. It's off. Okay, it's okay. If at first you don't succeed, try again. These people aren't even answering. Hi, I was wondering if in the card section, do you guys sell jumbo size cards? Y'all, so I just had an epiphany because we went into another store, it didn't have anything. We called maybe 7 more stores, they all said no. Even though USPS never left a thing, like a pamphlet, I'm gonna still check the post office. I'm gonna show them my ID and hopefully they'll just check to see if it's there. And I'm so glad I thought about that because the post office closes in literally 20 minutes and we're literally, what, 2 minutes away? Who did I get my brain from?
Your mother. I don't even know why you're questioning yourself about that.
About who I got it from?
Yeah.
Okay, wish me luck, Mom.
Wishing you all the best, me. I'm on.
Yeah, I'm so happy. Ordered this book. It says, work bestie, someone who understands exactly what your eye rolls and raised eyebrows mean, someone who notifies you immediately of any workplace drama, an extraordinary person who makes your job bearable. I'm so happy! Everybody has a page that they can sign it. So cute. That is so cute.
Journey.
Fun fact about my mom took calligraphy. So if I ever give you something, huh?
Put pressure on me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Because the whole world's watching.
If you ever gotten something from me and the handwriting is like extra nice, just know my mom probably wrote it because I can't write that nice. And I cannot stop looking at this. Y'all see that bottle of Don Julio? I'm so dead. We don't live around here. Just kidding. Now we're gonna go to my job so we could drop this off so everybody could write in it. But look how pretty my mom wrote. She ate that up. We got some food. We ended up going to the casino and mom won some big money. I lost everything. So I feel like this is good that I'm doing this weekly vlog. I feel like y'all are holding me accountable without even knowing y'all are holding me accountable for getting on this bike. I'm gonna get on for another 30 minutes. My thing is that seat be hurting my butt. I don't know how people sit on that shit for mad long. That's crazy to me. I got all the entertainment I need. Delilah posted a video. Delaney posted her bachelorette outfits. Are you kidding me? Even got a Samantha vlog. Look, even Kyra posted. Girl, this workout about to be a breeze, okay? Cancel it. Hey guys, what's up YouTube? Happy Sunday. I actually didn't vlog at all yesterday. That was because I was just in a funk. I was not feeling myself. I was not in a good mood yesterday, and I just didn't want to be on the vlog like that. Like, I'm not trying to promote negative energy. I'm not trying to dampen anyone's day. Plus I had a stomach ache, y'all. Oh, hold on, I messed up. I had the worst stomach ache because by mistake I ended up eating a little bit of expired eggs. So between like my bad mood and the eggs, I was just out for the count. Like, I mean, my bad mood and my eggs, my bad mood and my stomach ache. And then I ended up checking my Miss Flow app, and come to find out my period is coming. So that's probably why I was feeling down. The only things I really did yesterday was I cleaned my room, which made me feel so good. Last night I was cleaning and it just feels so nice to like just clean your space. I did go on the bike and I remembered to put my watch on this time. I burned, in 30 minutes, I burned 150. When I looked it up, it said that on average people burn 400 to 700 calories 30 minutes on a bike. And I'm like, I don't think I'm going fast enough, if I'm being honest with y'all. I'm definitely not going fast enough. I'm done with my hair. I'm gonna get dressed because I'm heading to my friend's house. I was so excited. We have a little concert. Oh, I just burned my scalp. Ooh. Let's do a little concert. Let's do a little concert.
Go, he in love with Glow. He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like, okay. Every ex-nigga mad and they bigger. You could get got. I'm looking for the hoe. Yeah,
listening to Sexy Red after church is crazy. I gotta reevaluate. So I'm ready to go. My outfit is so mid. I haven't gotten cute in so long and it's kind of bothering me. I might have to do some outfit planning ASAP so I could get back in my groove. But yeah, let's go.
The way New York. You know, this whole time I thought it was water, Aquarius. Monet, you're lying.
Should I break the seal or should I hold it?
Break it.
And
like, it's like you're gonna get what you're gonna get. You're gonna get what you're gonna get.
I'm too drunk. Y'all, I am terrible. So I don't even know what to say. I just had to hop in because there was just no ending to this vlog. I was really trying to do a whole week in my life. I'm just not used to it. Cinco de Mayo took me out. Like, I was just done. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be dropping next week. I'm just hopping in now to say thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. See y'all.